I am Deepak Kumar, pursuing my BTech final year in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. So I have been passionate about machine learning from my second year. When our placement season has started, GUVI HCL has been came to our college. It has been proposed, and they have asked about 5 students. And from my department, I have been selected. Joined the classes every Saturday and Sunday, and they have also given projects also to apply our knowledge in that projects. It has been a 3 to 4 months of journey with GUVI HCL. At the starting of, I have thought that how can I manage both college and GUVI course. They have planned only on Saturday evenings and full Sundays, and they used to give small assessments also using real time examples. Course structure which I have seen, they have taken who knows the basics of machine learning only, and they have started from deep learning and until finally how we can start from a basic project to end project. They have clearly explained there, and there are also doubt clarifying sessions. I have missed around 4 to 5 sessions, but I can listen those videos in the recordings also. From GUVI, I like very much, and I used it extremely tab. Still learn more in detail about Python, machine learning, deep learning. They also started how to implement using Docker, but I have less knowledge in it. We get any doubt, we just simply post on the website in the GUVI platform. We'll get the reply. Way of communication between us is a very best way I am thinking. I only know what is machine learning, just basics of deep learning. There is a session with I think the sir name is Balchandra sir. I used to join the classes from first only. In second week, sir has started. Sir has been introduced. I have listened from the beginning what sir is explaining. He used simple real world examples, coding. Both he have linked using simple real world examples. So I understood very easily. From next week, I was only interested to join in the class. So my advice is to everyone who join GUVI is it's a better platform to learn in an easy way, where we learn classes and recordings, assignments, projects, everything will be in a single platform. The platform is really user friendly and best to join GUVI in myself.